I'm Ignacio. We are on the way to Stoddard Falls. This is Claremont, the 210 freeway. If you're coming from Los Angeles, you're gonna exit on Baseline Road. Once you exit the freeway, turn left onto Baseline Road, and then on the next light, we're gonna make a right turn, which is Padua Avenue. Stay on Padua Avenue for 1.8 miles. Turn right onto Mount Baldy Road. Stay on Mount Baldy Road for 6.1 miles. When you make it to these tunnels, you're about 2 miles away from our destination. And then you make a right turn onto Barrett Stoddard, and the parking lot is right there. If the parking lot is full, which is typical on the weekends, you can park along the highway, but make sure you're not blocking anybody's driveway. To park here, you're gonna need a permit that is called National Forest Adventure Pass. You can buy it at 7-Eleven, gas stations, or sports stores. On the description of the video, I'm gonna leave more information for you. On the right hand side of the parking, we're gonna find this abandoned road. We're gonna follow it for about 10 to 15 minutes. There's no way you can get lost. This is an update from last year, and the most common questions on my video were, are there any bears, snakes, or wildlife? We are in the wilderness. Even though I come here many times, I never seen a bear, and I've never seen a bobcat, or a mountain lion, or even a snake. But that doesn't mean they're not there. So please be always watchful and be extra careful. About 5 minutes into the hike, you're gonna find these little trails on the left hand side of the road. These trails will take you to the slide, the actual waterfall, if you wanna go down straight from the slide or the waterfall. It is kind of dangerous, so please be careful. I hope that you're enjoying my video so far. Please subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. But most importantly, do not leave any trash behind. Thank you. I'm just gonna play it safe and get back on the road. This was recorded on June 28th, 2024. The time to come here is actually on the summertime, even if it's a hot day, because you're gonna get in the water and the water is freezing cold. When you get to this part where the road is completely eroded, that's where most people go down to the creek. Even myself, last year, I told people to go this way. But today, on my way out, I discovered that if you actually hike just a little bit longer, there's an easier part. And this is where you go down to the creek. Once you reach the water, you're gonna go against the current. You're gonna turn left all the way to the waterfall, which is another 15 to 20 minutes. The rocks are very slippery, and trust me, you're gonna get wet. So my recommendation is bring water shoes or hiking sandals. It's gonna make your life easier. click on the links that are gonna appear on the screen to keep watching my videos. Thank you so much for your support. Until next time.